ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. White to play in checkmate black. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯೋ ಒಂದು ರುಕ್ ಇದೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಹತ್ರ. ಹಲೋ
RD2.
RD2. Now king will move here.
RD3.
RD3. King ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ
KE2.
ಗುಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಕೌಸ್ತುಭ್, ಹೇಗಿದೆಯೋ?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೀವ್ ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕಣ.
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ E3.
ಕಿಂಗ್ E3. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೆ
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ D4. ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ D4.
D4. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ E5 ಬಂದೆ.
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ E4.
ರುಕ್ E4. ರುಕ್ E4 ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು D5.
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ D3.
ಕಿಂಗ್ D3. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ D4.
ಕಿಂಗ್ D4. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದೆ
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ E5.
ರುಕ್ E5.
RE5.
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್
KE4. KE4.
E4. ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಡಿ
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ D5. ರೂಕ್ D5.
SBI ATM ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊ.
ಕಿಂಗ್ C7 ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ D4.
ಕಿಂಗ್ D4. C6 ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ C4.
ಕಿಂಗ್ C4. ಕಿಂಗ್ C5. ಕಿಂಗ್ C7.
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ C5.
ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ C7
ಕಿಂಗ್
B7.
C5.
ಕಿಂಗ್ B7 ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Sir RD6.
ರೂಕ್ D6. ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ D6. ರೂಕ್ D6.
ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ D5.
ಕಿಂಗ್ D5. ಕಿಂಗ್ B7 ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ರೂಕ್ C6.
ಕಿಂಗ್ B8 ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಸರ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ C5.
ನಾವು ಕಿಂಗ್ C7 ಹೋದ್ರೆ B7 ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಕಿಂಗ್ B4. ಕಿಂಗ್ B5.
ಕಿಂಗ್ B8 ಹೋದ್ರೆ
ಕಿಂಗ್ B6.
ಕಿಂಗ್ B6. ಕಿಂಗ್ B8 ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಚಿಕ್ ಬಿಟ್.
ಸರ್ ರೂಕ್ 7-8. ರೂಕ್ 7. ಸೊ ರೂಕ್ C8. ರೂಕ್ C8.
ಓಕೆ
ಸೊ ರೂಕ್ C8. ಸರ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಈಗ. ಟೂ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ
ಟೂ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಬೇರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೂ ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
ಸರ್ 3 ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ.
3 ಮೂವ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ? ಓಕೆ. ನಿಮಿಷ. White to play in mate in 3. White to play in mate in 3.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು.
White to move on mate in 3.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್
ಸರ್ knight E7. Knight E7.
Knight E7. Then king here. But
ಸರ್ pawn G3.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ನೈಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್. ನೈಟ್ ಮೂಮೆಂಟ್.
ಸರ್ knight
Sir NG6. NG6.
Sir knight D6. Knight G6.
Now pawn to knight. Now one pawn.
Sir no,
Pawn
pawn
to
to G3. Pawn to
G3.
G3. Pawn to G3. Sir G3.
G3.
Pawn to G3. Pawn to
Correct.
G3.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
King can't come here or here. Correct. But that white to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, knight e5. Knight e5.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir, rook h6. Rook h6.
Now pawn to h6.
Sir, now rook g8.
Rook g8. ಈ king action ಹೋದ್ರೆ one more checkmate ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತೀಯಾ?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon,
Sir,
Shaina.
knight f6. Knight f6.
Sir, how are you, sir?
I am
Sir,
doing
knight
good.
f6,
Thank you.
knight
How are you?
f6.
How are you, Shaina?
Thank you. I'm fine.
No,
Sir,
correct.
knight f6. Knight
Correct.
f6.
Correct.
Knight f6.
White to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, QH4,
Who
ಇಲ್ಲ QH5.
h5. Then king will kill the queen.
Sir, pawn g4.
White to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, pawn f4.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
Sir, king e6.
Bishop movement. Check ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲದ್ರೆ checkmate.
Sir, bishop. Sir, bishop g5. Bishop g5.
Now king into g5.
Sir, queen f5.
Queen F5,
Queen
sir.
f5.
Queen f5. Then king will move here. That is wrong.
Sir,
Very
queen
much.
queen g7.
Now king ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ one more checkmate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
Sir, pawn g4.
On g4. Correct. Now this checkmate. Now king can't come here or here. Did you get it, Shaina?
ಮುಂದೆ
Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, queen h8.
NE6.
Sir, queen h8.
NE6.
Queen h8. e6. Then pawn to h6. What will you do? Now 2 moves checkmate. Now
Sir, queen g5.
Correct.
Queen g5.
Now king here. 1 move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, rook h6.
Correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು? ಹೀಗೆ white to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, rook h8.
Rook h8. Knight into h8.
Sir, now. Sir, queen h7.
Queen H7, sir.
Queen h7.
King g8.
Sir, queen h8.
Queen to knight.
Queen h8.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Susan, how are you? Susan?
I'm good, sir.
ಹೀಗೆ white to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, white to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
ಹೌದು ಕಣ.
He moves. I didn't heard of that.
SBI ATM ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಕೊ.
Sir, queen h7.
Queen h7, then king will kill the queen. That's wrong.
Sir, queen to A8.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, rook movement ಕಣ.
Sir, rook to F8.
Rook to f8, okay. Now king into f8. Now 2 more checkmate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
Sir, queen queen to h7.
Queen to h7 ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ. Then black will white to play in checkmate black in 2 moves. Queen ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ? Queen a8 correct. Now one
Queen
more
A8.
checkmate. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, knight to f5.
No, queen movement. Queen movement.
Sir, queen e8, queen e8, queen e8, queen e8,
Correct.
queen e8.
Now king can't come here or here. Correct. Correct. Can't come here or here or here. Correct.
You can't kill the queen.
Knight is supporting it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, knight is supporting.
White to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
White to play in checkmate attacking.
Three moves
Sir,
are two moves, sir.
RG8,
Sir,
RG8,
sir, RD8, RD8, rook d8,
Or
d8,
RG8,
RD8. Sir, RG8, RG8, RG8. Rook g8, sir, g8.
now king into rook here.
Sir, knight f6, knight
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ
f6.
rook movement ಕಣ rook movement ಕಣ.
Sir, rook g1, rook g1, rook
G1.
g1, sir, rook g1.
Correct. Rook g1. Now
There is shout.
Sir, bishop
BF6.
f6, bishop f6, bishop
Correct.
f6.
BF6.
suppose
Bishop
king
f6, sir.
correct kಣ bishop f6. Suppose
There is
bishop rook kills the rook, what will you do? ಇಲ್ಲಿ rook kills the rook, what will you do? Rook
Sir, bishop
Sir,
to f6.
bishop f6, sir, bishop f6, bishop f6.
rook here. Now
Sir, rook d8, rook
Rook
d8, rook
Correct.
d8, rook d8, rook
correct
d8.
correct correct. Now king can't come here.
I thought bishop to g7.
No, bishop g7 is wrong. Rook d8 is correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
I thought king will kill the bishop at f6, but actually it will kill at g7.
White to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
3 moves. I heard only one
QH7.
or 2 moves. What,
No, it is 3
what
moves.
is this new 3 moves?
You are improving now.
Huh?
You have to improve.
Sir.
You have to go one step higher, no?
Yes.
Sir, QH7.
Q7.
Then look into it. King into h7.
Sir, 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 why
Wait.
did you reset it?
No, that is wrong. Q7 is wrong. Rook will kill the king.
Sir, Q f7.
knight d8.
No,
F7.
98 is wrong.
Q f7.
Sir, queen e8, queen e8.
Queen e8, then rook will kill the queen. Then rook will kill the queen.
Sir, queen f6.
Queen f6.
Sir, queen f6, queen f6,
Queen
queen
f6,
f6,
then
rook
show
g7.
them.
Sir,
Queen
QH.
f6. Then rook will come. Rook will come here.
Sir, Q
Sir,
f7.
sir, rook c8.
Rook c8. Oh.
Sir, rook.
Rook c8 means c8. Now what will you do? Now 2 moves checkmate. Now 2 moves checkmate.
Sir, queen f7.
Queen g7
Queen
correct.
f7.
Queen g7 correct. Now king rook kills. Now 1 move checkmate. Can you tell?
Sir, rook g7, rook g7, rook
Correct.
g7.
G7.
Right. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. White to play in checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, NG8.
In g8. Then what is the idea? Then king will knight.
Sir, pawn h7.
Pawn h7 ತಪ್ಪು. G7 correct. Now rook into pawn. Now what will you do? Two moves checkmate. Now two moves checkmate. Queen movement. Queen, where should it move? H6, correct, no?
Queen h6.
Queen h6, okay. Now rook h7. Now one move checkmate. One move checkmate.
Sir, knight g8.
No, rook move. Queen movement, no? Queen movement. One move checkmate. Queen h7, correct. Now king can't come here or here. So that
Yes, sir.
Sir.
white to play in checkmate black in three moves.
Sir, bg6.
Bg6. Now king into bishop.
Sir, correct, sir.
Rook into. ಈಗ one more checkmate ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ now what will you do? king f7 ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, one more check.
Sir, bishop g7.
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕಣ.
I mean, rook g7. I mean, rook g7.
Rook g7, correct, correct. Now it is checkmate. King can't come here or here. Correct. Suppose king moves.
Oh, that's
But suppose king moves to f5, what will you do? King moves to f5.
Sir, queen
Queen h5.
queen h4.
h5, correct. h5. So that
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಹೀಗೆ white to play in checkmate black in two moves.
Sir, queen c6.
Queen c6.
Queen c6.
Knight into c6.
Sir,
Sir, bf
Sir, bishop
bf7.
f7. Bishop f7.
King will move to here. What will you do?
sir, knight c6, knight c6.
Checkmate ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. King can go to here. ಎರಡೇ ಮೂರೇ ಮೂವ್ ಇರೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ.
Sir, queen c6.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. ಕ್ವೀನ್ c6 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ.
Sir, bishop f7. Bishop f7.
Knight into f7 ಫೋರ್ಸ್ಟ್. ಆಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? Now what will you do? Now two moves checkmate.
Sir, queen c7.
c6 ಕಣ.
Queen c6. Yeah. Queen
King
c6.
king e8. Now one move checkmate.
Sir,
Sir,
Knight into knight.
knight f7.
Knight into knight.
Knight f.
Knight to knight.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
White to play in checkmate black in three moves.
Sir, rook f5.
Rook f5, okay.
Sir.
Rook f5.
Now pawn to f5.
Queen f7.
f5 kano, not f7.
Sir, queen.
Queen f5, correct kano.
Okay, sir, queen f5.
Now queen f5, then king moves to d6. Now one move checkmate. Queen
Sir, queen g5. Queen g5.
correct kano, checkmate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು.
Sir,
ಏನು
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಗಾಗ್ತಿದೆ ಕಣ?
ಸರ್,
Sir,
ತುಂಬಾ
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗ್
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಸರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ 3 ಮೂವ್ಸ್.
ಸರ್
Sir,
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ E6
QC.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ E6 ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ E6
QC6.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ E6 ಕ್ವೀನ್
Queen
E6
E6.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ E6
QE6.
Pawn to queen. Bishop.
ಸರ್
Knight to
ಸರ್
pawn.
ನೈಟ್
Knight to pawn.
ನೈಟ್ E5
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Knight E5. Okay, correct. Now pawn to knight. No one move.
ಸರ್ rook to knight
Then bishop to knight.
Sir,
Rook
rook to
pawn to knight. Pawn to knight. ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ.
ಸರ್ bishop to E6 bishop to E6
Bishop to E6.
Check. Bishop to E6 and king can come here. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ತಪ್ಪಾಯ್ತು. Queen to E6 correct. Pawn to E6 now ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ? ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
ಸರ್ bishop E6
Bishop E6. Okay.
Bishop E6, sir.
Knight into E6. Now one move checkmate. No move checkmate.
ಸರ್ rook
Knight
E5
Knight moment.
knight E5
Knight E5. Correct.
Knight.
Now king can't come here or here. No moves are possible. Correct?
No
Yes,
moves
sir.
are possible.
King can't come here or here. White to play and checkmate black in 3 moves. And stop.
No, what happened?
White to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
ಸರ್ queen
RD8.
B8 queen B8
RD8.
Queen B8.
queen B
So king into B8.
ಗಣಪತಿ ದೇವರಿದೆ ಕಾಲೆತ್ತು.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ
RE8.
rook
RD8.
D7 sir rook
RD8.
D7
D8.
Sir,
RD8.
sir, something
No,
is hearing
no.
from couch to sir. Something
Okay.
is hearing from.
Okay. Okay.
sir rook B8
RB8.
rook B8
Correct.
Rook B8.
Correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. ಹೀಗೆ white to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, queen to knight.
Queen to knight. Okay. Pawn to bishop into
Bishop
pawn.
to
Now king here one move checkmate ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
pawn to D6.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ bishop moment ಕಣ. Bishop moment.
BC5.
BC5 correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಹೀಗೆ white to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
BG7.
B G7 ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ. B where should it move?
sir
BG5.
BG8
B
sir BG8
BF8 correct.
BF8.
Now bishop comes here, queen comes here. Bishop comes here.
Queen to bishop.
Queen to bishop. Pawn to queen.
RH6.
sir rook F8 rook J rook H8 rook H6
RH6.
rook H6
RH6.
rook H6 rook H6
Correct.
rook H6
Now king can't come here or here. ಏನು ಟೈಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ಯಾ ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್? ಸಾಯಿನಾರಾಯಣ್
Sir, I'm putting the time, sir. I'm putting the time. What's the time?
white to play checkmate black in 3 moves.
RA6.
RA6. Pawn to A6. No, not that. pawn a6.
BG2.
bg2 correct. Now rook a6, rook c6, one move checkmate.
Bishop to knight. Bishop to rook.
Bishop to rook, correct. King can't come here or here or here, correct. He gave white to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
Bishop to pawn.
Bishop to pawn, then king will kill the bishop, no?
Sir, bishop f6. Sir, bishop f6.
BF6, sir.
No, pawn to bishop.
Sir, knight f7.
Now king movement.
Sir, king f6. King
King
f6. King
f6
f6.
KF6.
King f6.
King f6 tapukano. Where should king move?
Sir, knight f7. Knight f7.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೈಟ್ ಎಫ್7 ಅಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಜುಗ್ವಾಂಗ್ ಈಗ ಜುಗ್ವಾಂಗ್ ವೈಟ್ ಟು
Sir, k e8.
kf8 correct kf8 correct
K f8.
now soldier is forced to move now one move checkmate ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ
Sir, knight f7.
knight
Sir,
f7
knight f7.
knight f7 correct now king can't come here or here correct
Sir, one bishop, one knight.
ಅದು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದು ವೆರಿ ರೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೇಸಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಕಣ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಕಣ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ
Yes, sir.
ಹೀಗೆ ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ 3 moves
Sir, today I have a puzzle, sir.
so yes
Sir, knight g6. Knight g6. Sir, knight g6. Knight g6.
pawn to g6
Sir, queen h4.
QH.
Queen h4.
QH4, sir.
king h8 king ತಪ್ಪು ಕಣ ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ
Sir, today I have a puzzle.
which puzzle
Queen g8. Sir, queen
NG6.
g8. Queen g8.
NG6.
g8 is correct now rook into
Queen
g8
g8.
I have a puzzle
No.
in Google.
Sir, no, knight g6. Knight g6.
NG6.
Knight g6. Knight g6.
knight g6 okay
Knight g8.
knight g6 is correct
RH4.
Rook
R
h4. Rook
correct.
h4.
correct
Rook h4.
now king can't come here
h4.
correct white to play and checkmate black in 3 moves
QG8.
2 g8 into g8
Sir, pawn promote to queen.
now queen has to come here
4 o'clock ನಾನು ಮೀಟ್ ಇದೆ
Queen to queen.
4 o'clock ನಾನು ಮೀಟ್ ಇದೆ
correct
ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
correct
ಕನ್ನಡ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಿದ್ಯಾ
correct ಹೀಗೆ white to play and checkmate black in 3
ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿರೋ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಅವತ್ತೇನೋ ಏನೇನೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದ
Sir,
RIP ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಪೀಸ್
NE6.
ಯಾವುದು
then pawn to e6
RF3.
or if
So rook is RDA.
Rook to queen.
so king here
RF.
bishop
RF1.
bishop movement rf1 no rf1
RF1 ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
rf1 ಇಂದ checkmate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ checkmate correct
Sir, bishop.
correct rf1 is correct
ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹೌದು, ಬಿಷಪ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನನ್ನ E6ಗೆ ಪಾನ್ ಟು E6, ಕ್ವೀನ್ ರುಕ್ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ವೀನಿಗೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ರುಕ್ F1 ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್. ರುಕ್ F1 ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಸ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್.
ಕ್ಯಾಶಲಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಕಣ. ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ರುಕ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇನ್ 3 ಮೂವ್.
ಸರ್ ಕ್ವೀನ್ E5, ಕ್ವೀನ್ E5.
ಕ್ವೀನ್ ಟು E5
ನೋಡು ತೆರೆದು ಕೈಗೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ,
ಸರ್ ನೈಟ್ D3.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ, ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣ. ವೈಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೇ.
ಸರ್ RA6, rook A6, rook A6.
ಪಾನ್ ಟು
Rook
A6,
A6.
ಪಾನ್ ಟು A6 ವಾಟ್ ನೋಡು.
Sir, queen C6, queen C6.
Okay. No, bishop here. No, one more checkmate. Correct, correct, correct. Here,
Queen to bishop.
D6,
queen to bishop.
Sir,
Queen to
D6,
bishop.
queen D6.
Correct. No, king can't come here or here. Here, white to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
White to play and checkmate black in 3 moves. Sir, knight
Alla,
G5.
queen moment. Queen moment.
Sir, queen H6.
Queen H6.
Queen
Okay.
H6,
Now king into H6.
Rook H3.
Rook H3,
Okay. Bishop G5. Bishop H4.
Sir, rook to bishop, rook to bishop, rook H4.
Correct, correct. Now king can't come here or here or here. Correct.
ಕುಂಭಗಳು ಮೊದಲು ಕುಂಭತನ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನಾವು ರಾಘವ್?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಹೀಗೆ white to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
ಸರ್ ಸೈನರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ.
ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. Can you send it WhatsApp China, right? China can send WhatsApp message because it would be difficult.
Sir,
China.
queen B7. Sir,
Can
queen
send-
B7, queen B7.
Queen to knight,
No, king into rook, queen.
Sir,
So
what?
rook D7,
Rook D7.
Then king will come. King will kill the knight.
Sir, what?
Sir, puzzle China, can you send the puzzle to WhatsApp?
Sir, I don't know the link, sir.
You send it to that 2 and 3 o'clock 2 o'clock group and Champions Academy group. Both the group you can send.
But I don't know the link.
You send the WhatsApp link, WhatsApp message.
Okay.
White to play and checkmate black in.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಸರ್, ಬರ್ತೀನಿ
Oh.
ಸರ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ.
Okay. ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕೇನೋ?
sir Queen C8,
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ.
also took
Night moment.
Sir, knight C6, knight
Knight
C6.
C6 ತಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡು A6 correct.
Sir, knight A6.
Now knight into rook. Now one more checkmate. Now can
Sir, queen C6.
Sir, queen C8.
Queen
Queen C8,
queen C8 or B8. Well do correct. Correct. White to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
Knight D6.
Knight D6. What's the idea? Then rook into queen. Knight movement. ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೈಟು? D6.
Knight G5.
Knight G5. Okay. Now rook into Knight G5. Rook into queen. Rook into queen.
Sir, bishop to hook.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಕಣೋ.
NF7
1 minute.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಆಗಲ್ಲ. White to play. Checkmate black in 3 moves.
ಸರ್ QH7.
2H7. 2H7. Now Knight G5.
Now NG5 sir.
Now Knight G5. King moves to H8. Now one more checkmate. Can you tell?
NF7.
NF7. Correct. Correct. Now king can't come here or here. Correct. ಹೀಗೆ white to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
RA3, RA8.
RA8. Then rook into king into rook. There is wrong.
A7.
RA7.
NB.
RA8 ನೋಡೋಣ. Then RA8 king into A8 what will you do? King into A8 what will you play?
A4.
RA4. Then king will move.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ.
N.
RA8.
Sir NB sir.
RA8 king A8. Now what will you play? ND7 correct. Unstoppable checkmate. ND7 next move checkmate. Whatever you do it will be checkmate.
ಹೇಗೆ ಸರ್?
ಏನ್
ಅರ್ಥ
ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು rook A4 ಕಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ checkmate. King rook moves. Then rook A4 checkmate. White to play and checkmate black in 3 moves.
Sir, today my father is taking my laptop to repair.
Okay. Hi Narayan,
Yes, sir.
you send a WhatsApp message to problem puzzle.
Okay, sir.
Last minute is remaining. Should I tell?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
NC7.
NC7. Then king will move here.
Queen D2.
Queen D2, then king will move here. King can kill knight. ಎರಡೇ ಮೂವ್ ಚೆಕ್ಮೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
QC4 ಸರ್. QC4.
C4 ಓಕೆ. king into C4 move. ನಾವು ಈಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯ?
Sir, Knight D6.
Knight D6. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ
Sir, bishop B3.
then king can kill the knight. 1 minute. Now E4 unstoppable checkmate itself. Next move checkmate. Whatever you do, it will be checkmate. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ?
Yes sir.
Can I chant mantra?
Yes sir.
Okay, sir.
नमस्कार शास्त्र मूर्ते शास्त्र पदक शास्त्र नामने पुरुषार्थ शास्त्र कोट